Hi, Dr. Bart here, and just like many product managers, I've recently was thinking about AI and large language models in particular. And well, it's a technology that we all are familiar with, that a lot of companies use and promote. But is it a hype technology? Is it something that we really should pay attention to? And how to decide on whether to add an AI feature to your product and whether it will help your users or not. Well, all that and much more, and I'll get to much more, was discussed during a recent course that I took from product faculty called AI Product Management Certification. I went there to simply see what I don't know, to be quite honest, to see what is there to talk about, what to think, and whether I have everything I believe I need to be a product manager that operates in those AI times. And I knew that this will be helpful as this course is led by Bart Jafar, the product leader at OpenAI. So it's sort of like getting the information directly from horse's mouth. And the course I think, can be looked on from two angles. And before I tell you about those angles, let me just stress that the cohort were product leaders, senior product managers, CEOs, people who know how to build great products, who have good credentials in product management, but still were a bit, I don't want to say confused, but curious and following Plato's I know that I don't know nothing routine, came there to learn, to see how to best implement large language models to your products. So the two ways to look at the course. That one of them is obviously your theory, learning about what large language models are, how to implement it, yada, yada, all that sweet stuff that honestly you probably can find on the internet. You can even probably ask ChatGPT to tell you that. But that's not why are you going for this course. That's not why I will recommend it in the end of the video. The real kicker is the Capstone project, the practical aspect of it. And I found it really extremely helpful. And I knew that it was also extremely helpful for the 55 people that left 5-star ratings to the course already, because the instructor told us exactly how to implement a large language model feature into any product. Step-by-step instruction on what to take into account, what to think, how to calculate the cost, how to connect it on a high level for product managers. This really resonated with me because it reflected a journey we took with my fellow PM at my company before I left for paternity leave. I wasn't the lead PM on that. I was more of a on the sidelines observing my colleague implementing an AI feature. But everything that we had to think about, we had to experience, we had to well do wrong before we did right, was there in the course and more. So if you decide to go to this course, you will save a lot of time, a lot of money by not going through this experimental technical phase of implementing large language models to your product, but you have all the knowledge you need to do it efficiently, effectively, and right on the first try. And that is worth a lot. And that probably saves money to your company in bulk, given that average sprint costs like five, maybe six figures, depending on the team. If you can shave down a sprint or two of work to implement a successful AI feature, then return on this investment for this course is amazing. And let me tell you that it was simply fun to go there to listen to Big Dag and his stories. He implemented many other features related to large language models to in different companies. So this is your practical AI product management course, really. So do I recommend it? I think I spoiled it already. Yes, I do. Definitely take it. It happens every few weeks on a platform called Maven. So if you'd like to take it, I'll leave the link in the description of this video. And if you'd like to learn more about product management, how to implement AI, and learn everything there is to know about being a great product manager, be sure to follow, like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.